Myself Prakash Kumar, and everything is getting recorded and it will be uploaded on the YouTube channel Prakash Soni Hoda Class, right? In the last we have studied that this one is x-axis and the equation of x-axis is y equal to 0. क्योंकि इक्वेशन जो स्ट्रेट लाइंस होते हैं, एक्स एक्सिस इज आल्सो अ स्ट्रेट लाइन है ना, वाई एक्सिस इज आल्सो अ स्ट्रेट लाइन, और अगर कोई स्ट्रेट लाइन है तो उसका इक्वेशन भी होगा एक्स एक्सिस एज इक्वेशन ऑफ y इक्वल टू 0 एंड y एक्सिस एज एन इक्वेशन ऑफ x equal to 0. So now I will deal a question on the basis of that. Find the point on x-axis. Find the point on x-axis which is equi which is equidistance from the points 5, minus 2 and minus 3, 2. All of you try the question. Or suppose we have an x-axis and y-axis. X dash, y and y dash. Okay. So find the point on x-axis. This one is, for suppose this one is the point. For suppose this one is the point. Let's suppose we don't know the point. Let it be. So जो भी अगर एक point x-axis पर है, so its coordinate must be some x-axis, but y coordinate is always 0, right?
0.
It's fine now. And now one coordinate is 5, minus 2. Let me subtract it. So one coordinate is 5, minus 2, and the other coordinate is minus 3, 2. So the distance of this point from this, let it be O, let it be A, let it be B. ठीक है ना? This one is B. So the question is telling you that OA equal to OB, right? So you have to let me know what is the value of this X. Question सबको समझ में आया? All of you understanding the question? Mumang?
Sir.
Mumang, on your camera. This one is x-axis.
Sir, x equals to 1.
ये 12 बेचारा खाली क्यों आ जाता है? मैं चेंज कर देता हूँ अपना नाम.
All of you understanding the question now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So if we have x-axis, right? Kirnika, you are here. X-axis is here, and on x-axis, y coordinate is 0. So I am putting y coordinate as 0. A and B distance from O is equal. That is, it is given that O equal to OB. Now you have to let me know what is this point on x-axis, this coordinate O. Take your time. Take your time.
Sir, x equals to 1.
Okay. Mansi, can you send me?
Okay, sir, sending.
Fine. All of you can. Mansi, Lavanya, x equal to 1. Show me your copy. Show me copy. All of you can on your camera, है ना? सामने कर सकते हैं ना वर्क? Right. Try the question. Who have done can send me on WhatsApp.
சாப்பிடல சரியா நான் தொடவே இல்லை
Somewhat.
அங்கே தான் இருக்கான்
Done. Lavanya, on your camera.
Sir, screen एक बार और दिखा सकते हो?
हाँ, that I'm showing. Vedans. अक्षर कैमरा ऑन करके रहिए। हो गया, भेजिए। ऑल ऑफ यू हैव सेंड ना, आप भेजिए कैसे बना, लेट मी नो। OA equal to OB, right? So what is the value of OA? What is the value of OA? First we have to find this distance, right? जिनका हो गया वो WhatsApp पे डायरेक्टली सेंड करे, ठीक है? Send me directly. This one is OA, right? So O coordinate is x, 0. This one is O, x, 0, and A coordinate is 5, -2. OA equal to what? OA equal to root over x minus 5 square plus 0 minus of -2 whole square. बच्चा, all of you should send me, ठीक है ना? आपको भेजना चाहिए at least this question, ठीक है? Root under OB. How we can find the OB? How we can find this OB? This is the OB, right? Find this OB. OB कैसे निकलेगा? This one is x, 0. Mumang, if there is problem, let me know.
Yes, sir.
X. ऑल ऑफ यू देखो, जो कैमरा ऑफ करके रखे ना, सही बात नहीं है। अगर आप कैमरा ऑफ करके रखे हो तो आप अगर बना रहे हो, यू शुड सेंड मी ऑन व्हाट्सएप, ठीक है? तो अपने साइड से ये चीज चाहिए, ठीक है? ऑल ऑफ यू जो आपसे बना नहीं बना व्हाट्सएप पे भेजो, ठीक है? आप, है ना, वी आर नॉट हियर फॉर लाइक समवॉट लाइक इट्स लाइक आई एम टेकिंग लाइक, है ना, आई एम गिविंग यू टाइम, है ना, हम आपके साथ बैठ करके आपको समय दे रहे हैं। यू शुड वर्क विथ मी, ठीक है ना? ठीक है? एंड नाउ नॉट इज इट इज नॉट द टाइम कि अभी हम बस सेशन देखते रहेंगे। यू हैव टू एक्ट नाउ, ठीक है ना? यू डोंट हैव टाइम नाउ, है ना, टू डू एक्सपेरिमेंट्स, राइट? यू नो, आई वाज लाइक कि हाँ सेशन नहीं लीजिए, बट ऑल्दो आई कम हियर कि हमको सेशन लेना है तो लेना है ना? सो है ना, डू आई नीड दैट कंट्रीब्यूशन ना फ्रॉम योर साइड। OB is what? X minus of -3 whole square plus 0 -2 whole square, right? Okay.
सर अभी भेजा मैंने।
हाँ ठीक है, भेजिए, सभी भेजिए, all should send, right? Now you have to appear in the exam, not I have to, right? Now what we will do? We will do a square on both sides, right? Now Mumang, there is root also, and here is equal to, here is also some root, right? So we will do what? We will square both sides. So squaring both sides, what will happen? This is root square will got cancelled, and here root square will got cancelled. So it will be x minus 5 whole square. All of you send me rough work, ठीक है ना? बैठने से नहीं होगा, you have to send me rough work. Hiba, doing? All of you have done. जिसने कर लिया वो भेजो, ठीक है ना? रफ वर्क।
Sir, 1 minute.
हाँ, सेंड मी रफ वर्क बच्चा। अब ये क्वेश्चन नहीं करोगे तो फिर आप कैसे बोर्ड अपीयर करोगे, राइट? यू हैव टू फाइंड डिस्टेंस 0 minus of -2 whole square. Okay, Devanshi? Okay, Ish? Others बच्चे, send me what your rough work, ठीक है ना? Athirat, fine. Plus 0 minus of -2, minus got plus, so 2 square equal to x minus is plus, x plus 3 whole square plus -2 whole square, right? यहाँ तक सही है? All of you agree?
Yes, sir.
Fine, Kirnika. Many of you have not sent me, ठीक है ना? Send x minus 5 whole square plus 2 square is 4 equal to x plus 3 whole square plus -2 square is 4, right? Now next, x square plus a minus b whole square, 25 minus -2 into x into -5, so it will be plus 10x plus 4. Okay, ओमकार? अदर बच्चे देखो, इट्स नॉट गुड, ठीक है ना? आप अगर क्लास में आते हो, यू शुड वर्क, राइट? एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 3 स्क्वायर इज 9 plus 2 into x into 3 is 6x plus 4, right? Now x square got cancelled, so 10x plus 29 equal to 6x plus 13, right? So who have sent me answer till yet? Omkar, Kirnika, Athira, Devanshi, Ish, Vedans. Others बच्चे कहाँ हैं? अक्षर नहीं बना रहे हो? Minus 6x this side. Okay, so it will be what? 10x minus 6x. 4x equal to 13 minus x square plus 25 minus 10x plus 4. X square plus 9 plus 6x plus 4. ठीक है? So what is the final answer?
1.
1.
सर
हाँ,
सर
tell me.
4x इक्वल टू 16 ही होना चाहिए.
हाँ, exactly. That is what I'm telling. It is okay. Up to this, it is okay. Vedans?
Sir, there minus 10x.
This one.
Minus 10x.
Okay, fine. This one is
Yeah.
minus
सर एक
10x,
चीज
right?
पूछनी है
Now,
और
any other mistake?
सर एक चीज और पूछनी है.
हाँ, बोलिए.
सर जैसे हमारा आपने जहाँ छोड़ा वो 4x इक्वल टू 16 ले लिया हमने.
हाँ, tell.
फिर उसके बाद सर अगर हम उसे काटेंगे तब तो माइनस 4 ही तो बचेगा सर. फिर 1 कहाँ पे आया फिर उसमें?
Let us
4x
solve.
इक्वल
ना.
4.
आएगा. 225. Up to this, it is okay. या कोई mistake है?
नहीं सर.
No, sir.
Minus 10x
Yes, sir.
minus 6x equal to 9 and 4. 13 and minus 4 to that side will become minus 4, right? So it will be
So we
minus
can
6.
directly cut 4 and 4. It will be easy for calculating.
We can cancel this one. These two we can cancel directly. Then we have here 9, right? 9. And plus 25 will go to that side. It will become minus 25, right? So we have
Yes, sir.
minus 10x minus 16x minus 6x. It is minus 16x equal to 9 minus
Minus
25 is minus 16. So x will be equal to minus 16 by minus 16. It is 1. X value is 1. So coordinate will be 1, 0, right?
Yes, sir.
So I will take those names जिन्होंने मुझे आंसर नहीं भेजा है. ठीक है ना? एकमजोत, good evening बच्चा. Good Shaur, fine Kirnika. All of you good, try questions. ठीक है ना? So जो बच्चे भेज नहीं रहे वो सही बात नहीं है. ठीक है ना? I'm taking easy questions, right? Kamran, you should send me answers, right? Okay, all of you try the second question. ठीक है ना? Try this and be active. You are here and you have to send me just right now. Tanvi, आपने भेजा नहीं? All of you send me, okay? This one is a circle. Question is, this one is a circle. And all of you write the question. Find the center, find the, this may be come in 3 marks. Find the center of circle,
सर लिख लो ना.
of, just I'm checking, circle, passing through the points 6, minus 6, 3, minus 7, and 3, 3. Fine. Find the center of a circle passing through the points. You have to find the center of the circle. Center of the circle, which is, let's suppose it is O, x, y. We don't know the coordinate of the center. The point given is this circle is passing through the points, like suppose this one is A, 6, minus 6. This one is B for suppose 3, minus 7. And this one is coordinate C, 3, 3. Right? You have to let me know what is the value of this x, y. Question समझ में आया? All of you? You are getting, all of you getting the question? Athirat?
सर तो मतलब एक बार
Yes,
पहले
sir.
OA की निकालनी है, फिर एक बार OB की और एक बार OC से, फिर उनकी मैच करनी है. अगर तीनों की वैल्यू सेम आ रही है तब हो जाएगा x और y की वैल्यू.
Definitely, na Vedans. This one is the center, right? This one is the center.
Yes.
Right. And the distance of OA that we will find, this one is what? 6, 6 I have taken as A. Then B, 3, this one is B, 3, minus 7. And this one is C, right? So what we have done, this OA, OC and OB, Hana, all have equal distance, right? OA equal to OB equal to OC. That we know now, that radius of a circle have equal length. This OA, OB and OC will have equal length. Now we can apply distance formula.
Okay, sir.
All of you getting the point how to deal this question?
Yes, sir.
Now we will do what? We will find first OA. How we will do OA equal to what? OA equal to root over x minus 6 whole square. This one is OA, right? This one is OA. X minus 6 whole square plus y minus of minus 6 whole square. Any problem up to this? किसी को problem है? This one is OA. Then we have to let it be equal to OB. What is the value of OB? This one, right? This one is OB. So how can I write? Root over x minus 3 whole square plus y minus of minus 7 whole square, right? Okay. Equal to what? OC. What is the value of OC? Root over, tell me. Hiba, can you tell me what is the value of OC? Hello, Hiba. One who is doing that, you can send me your rough work Hana, on my WhatsApp. Hiba, you are here? Vedans, can you tell me what is the value of OC?
सर होगा x minus 3 का whole square plus y minus 3 का whole square.
Exactly. Okay. Now we will do what? We can equate these two, or we can do na squaring all. सभी इक्वल है तो
All
सारे के
sides.
स्क्वायर्स भी इक्वल होंगे. So we can put square all. ठीक है ना, सभी पे स्क्वायर पुट कर देंगे. Then root square will get everywhere cancelled, right? Everywhere root and square will got cancelled. So it will be what? X minus 6 whole square plus y minus of minus 6, that is y plus 6 whole square equal to x minus 3 whole square plus y minus of minus 7, that is y plus 7 whole square equal to x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square. Up to this it is okay? Up to this it is okay? Sure?
Yes.
Right? Now, now what we can do next? What is the next step? Tell me, all of you are here only ना?
सर सारे squares को खोल दो.
ठीक है, उससे पहले और कुछ?
सर
विरांश?
सर एक चीज हम गौर कर सकते हैं क्या? सर जब
हाँ।
ऐसी इक्वेशन बन जाए, जब हमारे पास ये वाली बन जाए, तब हमें जब पता है कि x y मतलब हर एक इक्वेशंस की x y पहली कट जानी है स्क्वायर में, तो ना अब यहीं से पहले काट दे.
No, Vedans. We will cut it. ठीक है, हम लोग कट करेंगे. But do what ना? Relate these two. हम इन दोनों को इक्वल है तो ये दोनों को इक्वेट करेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा? I know that we will do x minus 6 whole square plus y. This question can come in 4 marks, right now? Y plus 6 whole square equal to x minus 3 whole square plus y plus 7 whole square. Right? ठीक है? And we can equate these two also, Kirnika. We can equate these two. So then it will be x minus 3 whole square plus y plus 7 whole square equal to x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square. Is it okay? ये सबको समझ में आ रहा है? First I had related these two, है ना? इन दोनों को relate किया है, right? So इन दोनों को relate किया है, right? And then they have related these two, right? इन दोनों को relate किया मैंने, ठीक है? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Right? अभी ऐसा नहीं है कि easy question सिर्फ आता है. You know, 5 marks के question आएंगे, you have to work. आप ऐसे नहीं कहोगे 5 marks का question हम नहीं बनाएंगे. Right ना? So I'm equating all the equations. Okay, Prithvi? Shruti? Now, what I will do next? I can, anyone can tell, किसी ने पूछा नहीं, मैं इन दोनों को भी relate कर सकता था, right ना? I can relate these two also. ठीक है ना? इन दोनों को भी equate कर सकते हैं आप. You can take any, right? So now you will do what? X square, expand this one, a minus b whole square na, x square plus 6 square is 36 plus, sorry, minus 2 into a into b, minus 2 into x into 6. So it will be minus, then tell me further. Umang, y plus 6 whole square, tell me.
Y square plus 36 plus 12y.
Equal to
x square plus 9 minus 6x plus y square.
plus y square. Then
Plus 49 plus 14y.
okay, right? And now क्या होगा कृति सी? This x square will get cancelled to this one. This y square will get cancelled to this one. ठीक है ना? So main villain चला गया, right? Medans. Now Medans, expand this one. All of you tell me what will be the expansion of this one.
सर कर रहा हूँ, एक सेकेंड.
हाँ, let me know, directly बता दो. X minus 3 whole square. X square plus
square plus 9 minus 6x.
then plus
Y square plus 49 plus 14y.
equal to
X square plus 9x minus 6x.
x square plus 9 minus 6x
9
plus
minus 6x.
plus
Y square plus
4y
9 minus 6y.
minus 6y, right? Now here also y square and this y square got cancelled.
minus
This x square got cancelled to this one. Right now? So now 9 minus 6x plus 49 plus 14y equal to 9 minus 6x plus 9 minus 6y, right? Up to this it is okay? आगे बढ़ सकता है? Now we can continue. आप सब सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. You can form this equation ना? Left right करके x y के टर्म में एक इक्वेशन बन जाएगा. Also see this minus 6z and minus 6z getting cancelled. Then 14y is here and minus 6y. It will become 14 minus 6 will come to this side. That will be 20y. 20y equal to 9 plus 9, 18. Then 18 and then this one is 9 now, plus 9. It will become this side. So यहाँ से y का वैल्यू निकल जाएगा. What I am trying to say, we can find these two equations. अब दो इक्वेशन निकल गया ना. Now you can solve.
Yes, sir.
सर एक डाउट है.
हाँ, ask.
सर मैंने अभी ये सॉल्व करा सर आपको. सर लेकिन मुझे इसमें y की वैल्यू मेरे अपॉन में आ रही है.
कोई बात नहीं. You are getting two equations ना. वेदांश ये तो समझ में आ रहा है ना कि दो इक्वेशंस बनेंगे. और उन दोनों इक्वेशन लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल राइट. सॉल्व कर सकते हैं या नहीं?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
You are expecting कि 1 2 मार्क्स के छोटे-छोटे क्वेश्चंस बना लेंगे ना. 5 marks questions can also come, right? So you have to face this difficulty, right? और ये difficult नहीं है. That the only point is like कि है ना, that this one is a center, this and this all distance are equal. I'm just equating these and forming two equations. ठीक है ना? So all of you do what? All of you try the questions. ठीक है ना? आप इसको try करिएगा. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Write the answer. X will be coming. X will be equal to. X will come as 3. X equal to 3 and y equal to minus 2. ठीक है ना? जिनका आंसर नहीं आएगा, let me know. I will send answer. Okay? Or I do what now? नहीं आ रहा है. I'm just sending solution in the answer. Okay? All of you try. I'm sending in the group just right now. Okay? All of you try. Take your time. I'm sending detailed solution. Just I'm putting all answer in group. Fine. So all of you can see I have sent solution in the group. ठीक है ना, सभी कोई ट्राई करेंगे, ठीक है ना. जिनसे नहीं बनेगा बच्चा बोलो, अभी नहीं बोलोगे तो कब बोलोगे, right? It is not the time कि आप टाइम पास अब करो. It's not time. It's gone away. You can do it. You cannot do any experiment right now. ठीक है ना? Okay, fine guys. So अभी electricity start करना था, but it is very close. Okay, just I need to fine. I will start tomorrow only. So it's okay. Coordinate like we do practice, right ना? हमने प्रैक्टिस इस तरह से करना चाहिए, राइट. वी कम ऑन टाइम, लाइक एटलीस्ट हाफ एन आवर यू आर प्रैक्टिसिंग, राइट. सो आई वांट दैट ऑल ऑफ यू शुड कम ऑन डेली बेसिस एंड ट्राई दिस प्रैक्टिस. फाइन ना? फाइन. सो व्हाटएवर योर नॉलेज ना, आपको कितना भी नॉलेज हो जाए मैथ्स में, इफ यू आर नॉट प्रैक्टिसिंग ना, प्रॉब्लम है. ठीक है ना? व्हाटएवर यू नो, यू विल बी थिंकिंग मैं x-3 होल स्क्वायर टीचर इतना स्लो कर रहा है, बिकॉज आई हैव टू टेक ऑल, राइट. ठीक है. So all of you, I will be starting electricity from tomorrow because many of you are telling that electricity is a problem. Okay. And like Kanik sir was doing class on like resistance series parallel yesterday, right? Write the code of today.
Yes.
Try questions of coordinate. Okay. Try questions of coordinate. Okay. I think there
Sir,
is.
can you repeat again code?
Try questions of coordinate. ओमकार अभी आप सेशंस में बोले ना, इतने देर से आप कुछ भी नहीं बोल रहे थे, राइट? Why? So all of you, now we are close to session. Join your sessions, okay? We will talk, okay? Daily come, ठीक है ना? Daily आइए, practice half an hour करके जाइए, ठीक है ना? And just taking half an hour of yours, right? Fine guys, fine.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Can you please
Welcome.
repeat the code?
Isita, that you have to send me on like on my WhatsApp, okay? Bye SG, bye Omkar, bye Prithvi, bye Arjun,
Thank you, sir.
bye guys, bye Archit.